In the heart of Dubai, innovation is everywhere. But did you know how 1 hour can change your earnings? Let me show you how. How I made AED 500 in 1 hour using AI, Dubai Real Proof. Understand how to leverage AI tools for income generation. Learn the step-by-step process of using AI for tasks. Recognize the potential of AI in automating work. Identify real-world applications of AI in earning extra income. Let's dive into the strategies and tools that made it possible. Using AI for quick content generation can boost your income. How to get started. Choose the right AI tool tailored to your needs. Action. Create engaging content in minutes with creative prompts. Automating your marketing efforts can save time and increase profits. How to optimize. Set up automated campaigns to reach your audience. Action. Analyze results to refine your marketing strategy. AI tools streamline data analysis, providing insights quickly. How to implement. Use AI to turn data into actionable insights. Action. Make data-driven decisions to enhance productivity. AI helps you manage time, enabling you to focus on growth. How to improve. Prioritize tasks and automate the routine. Action. Spend less time on mundane tasks and more on earning. Now, let's look at real-life examples of these applications. Meet a person who is overwhelmed, looking for extra income strategies. Step back. Identify tasks that can be automated with AI. Your action should be: explore AI solutions that fit your needs. Imagine finishing tasks in a fraction of the time with AI. Evaluate. Which tasks take the longest? If you succeed, share your experience and grow your network. AI can significantly reduce the time needed for tasks. Leveraging AI can lead to substantial earnings. AI tools are accessible and practical for side income. Embrace technology for financial growth. Explore AI tools today to maximize your income potential, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you for joining this exploration of AI and earning strategies in Dubai.